Good morning, everyone. This is my title, The Rise of AI and in Communication Friend of You. So, good morning. How have you ever chatted with a bot and not realized you wasn't human? That's how far AI and communication has come. Overview. We look at how AI is shaping communication today, its advantages, challenges, and the future impact on how we interact. So, what is AI communication? AI standards for, of, for artificial intelligence, mechanic machines that mimic human intelligence. In communication, AI appears in chatbots, customer service, virtual assistants, Siri, or Alexa. Smart translations, Google Translate, writing tools, Grammarly, ChatGPT. Next, benefits of AI in communication, speed and efficiency. AI handles thousands of queries instantly. 24/7 availability, chatbots never sleep. Language accessibility. AI helps people communicate across languages. Support for people with disabilities. AI offers voice to text and screen readers. Example, a business uses a chatbot 280% of questions, reducing with times and cost. X. Challenge and concerns. Lose human touch. AI lacks empathy, humor, or emotional understanding. Misinformation. AI tools can generate inaccurate or misleading content. Job replacement. Fewer human roles in customer service. Bias in AI. AI can reflect biases in its training data. Example, an AI writing tools gives biased or incorrect information because of its trained on flawed data. Next, real world impact. Healthcare AI boost help patient log appointments or get symptom info. Education tools like ChatGPT support learning but may encourage cheating. Business AI is used to enable automation customer engagement hiring process. Next, future friend of you. AI is here to stay and is becoming more unhuman-like. It can be a friend if used transparently, and ethically, but it can view it over rely on or miss it. Next, last part, conclusion. Summary: AI is transforming communication fast, powerful, with waste. Final thought: the future of communications depends not just on smarter AI, but on smarter humans who use it. So, thank you. Thank you for listening. I'm happy to take any question.